Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to those of you that are not subscribed, subscribe and join the fun. For the first craft, you want one of these. I have already taken my apart and they're pretty easy to do. You just snap it. I usually run a razor through here just to try to get the paper to not stick. Sand this down a little bit and I'm going to paint this all black. And I will paint this side black and just the edges black. While you're waiting for your paint to dry, take 7 Jenga blocks, glue two together and 3, and then glue them together. Whoops, that one. Like that. After your paint is dry, use double-sided tape to adhere your cardstock to the triangle. And then you use wood glue to attach this to that and your stand to the base of your tree. Now I will just attach my joy sign to the outside of the box and my little bell and decorate the other side. Now how cute is that? Let's see what the other side looks like. And this is what the other side looks like. I just used the skinny font that I downloaded from the font for free. For this next craft, you want one of these ornaments, and one truck, which I will break apart and I will paint mine ivory. Piece of cardboard, some cardstock. We are going to have so much fun making this craft. The first thing you want to do is to take this off, take a hacksaw, this is very thick plastic, and cut this part off. Next, take your scissors. I did start mine with the hacksaw, but take your scissors and just follow that line all around until you have 2 pieces. Take one piece and trace it around your cardboard and cut it out. Carefully remove these from this. And if you have some curved scissors, which are great for this, trim around the edges. We want a perfect fit. Now gently attach this ornament to this ornament. Just lay mine flat. Try to line this up to that. And just kind of snap it down. Having a little problem with this one side. So just very gently, because you don't want to bust the plastic ornament. Not too much on that side. There. And then hot glue it around there and add your embellishments back on. This one came out so cute. Let's see what the other one looks like. When you cut your cardboard out, don't forget to leave a hanger and poke a hole. I just attached some cardstock with some glue. This one I do plan on adding some fake snow. The first thing I will do is attach my half a globe. And make sure I leave a little space, and I will fill it up with hot glue just so my fake glue won't come out. That one went too. Then I'll bend this back and throw my fake snow in through there, cover it with a piece of tape and attach some embellishments and call it good. Oh my goodness, I can have so much fun making these. I used Epsom salt, and what I did is I just took a piece of paper, make like a cone shape to funnel the salt in there. But I'm loving this craft. Okay, on to the next project. For this next craft, you want one of these trees, some garland ties, some embellishments and floral, and some ribbon. Pull this part off. You will not be needing that. Straighten out your branches and then take your garland and just tie them onto the tree just to make it fuller. I think it might be helpful if I just show you how I do mine. Just slide it underneath the tree, bring it up, and just twist it twice and straighten it down. Trim any overhanging branches if necessary. Then let's add some faux snow. Just add some paint, or you can spray paint it. I will not throw glitter on here or fake snow. I just want to make it look frosted with snow. Next, I will add some willow branches. Now I will determine where I want my poinsettias. I will bend my poinsettias like this because I want them to stand up, and I will hot glue those down as well. Take this and hot glue it down, and after the hot glue sets, wrap it in twine to secure it. Don't forget to add a hanger. Next, I will just throw some more poinsettias in here. Grab a few of these ornaments and put them in here so it doesn't look so bare. And put a pretty bow on there and hang it up. And there is the finished project. I just love how this came out. Okay, until next time, everyone stay safe and take care of yourself and one another.